Have you ever opened your investing app, see your portfolio go down a bit, and then you felt that pit in your stomach? Yes, I have been there too. It's easy to think the market is just this unpredictable roller coaster, up one day, down the next. But here is what most people never stop to do: zoom out. When you look at a 1 week or a 1 month chart, it's all over the place: chaos, emotion, noise. But when you zoom out to 10, 20, even 50 years, something incredible happens. The market always trends upward. Why? Because the market reflects human progress. So every new product, every small business, every invention, those add up to the growth engine, right? So let's put it in perspective. In the 90s, the US stock market, the S&P 500, was around 5 points. Today, it's over 6,800. It grew through wars, recession, inflation, and even pandemics because innovation doesn't stop. Companies keep solving problems. Farmers found better ways to grow food, engineers built new technology, people kept dreaming. And that's what your investments are: little ownership stakes in the world's ability to solve problems. Think of it like raising kids. Some days are messy, exhausting, and unpredictable. But if you step back and look at the bigger picture, you realize how much they've grown. The market is the same way: messy short term, but beautiful in the long term. So if you had invested, for example, $100 in the S&P 500 50 years ago, you would have over $14,000 today. Not because you picked the perfect stock, not because you timed it right, but because you stayed in the market. The truth is, people who try to beat the market, they usually miss the point. They get caught up in today's headlines instead of trusting decades of progress. Warren Buffett once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." That line has completely changed my entire perspective. When you stay patient, when you ride the waves, you get rewarded for time. You get rewarded for believing that the world keeps moving forward. So every iPhone launch, every Tesla battery, every new medicine, that's the market growing over time. And here's what's beautiful: you don't need to understand every detail of finance to benefit from it. You just have to participate. If you stay consistent, invest regularly, and give your money time, you'll be amazed at how quietly it grows, even when you're busy living your life. So the next time you see portfolio dip, remember this: that's not failure. That's the market breathing, like taking a breath. So the direction that matters is not today, it's tomorrow's, decades from now. So join me in the next session where we'll talk about what makes that long-term growth so powerful: compounding, your quiet financial superpower. I will see you guys in the next session.